Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for advanced prompt engineering in 2026. So if you want more accurate AI responses, better automation, or professional level outputs, yeah, learning advanced prompting techniques can make a huge difference. Before we start, prompt engineering basically means designing instructions that help the AI understand exactly what you want. Instead of asking vague questions, you structure prompts carefully for better responses. One powerful technique is role prompting. This means telling Claude what role it should act as before answering. For example, you can ask it to act as a teacher, marketing expert, software developer, or business consultant. So this helps guide the tone and expertise level of the response. Another advanced strategy is setting constraints inside your prompt. You can limit word count, define formatting rules, request step-by-step explanations, or specify the writing tone. Yeah, constraints make outputs much more controlled and consistent. Instead of requesting a complicated task all at once, split it into stages. For example, first ask Claude to brainstorm ideas, then generate an outline, and finally create the finished content. I mean, breaking tasks into smaller parts usually improves quality a lot. One of the best prompt engineering methods is giving examples. This is sometimes called few-shot prompting. You provide sample inputs and outputs so Claude understands the exact style or structure you want. This works especially well for writing and formatting tasks. Advanced users rarely stop after the first result. So yeah, you should refine the output by asking follow-up questions, requesting rewrites, simplifying explanations, or improving details. Small adjustments can dramatically improve the final response. If you use Claude regularly, save reusable prompt templates for common tasks like content writing, coding help, business reports, or study notes. This speeds up workflows and keeps your AI results consistent over time. And that's how to use Claude AI for advanced prompt engineering in 2026. Once you start combining role prompts, constraints, examples, and multi-step instructions, your AI outputs become far more professional and accurate. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI tutorials and productivity tips. Hey everyone!